If you've accidentally deleted messages on SHEIN and want to recover them, follow these steps to try and retrieve your information. Step 1. Check the app's message center. Open the SHEIN app and navigate to the message center. Sometimes, deleted messages may still be visible in this section, so it's worth checking. Step 2. Look for archived messages. In the message center, see if there is an option for archived messages. If you find this option, you may be able to restore any messages that were archived instead of permanently deleted. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you cannot find the messages in the app, reach out to SHEIN customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you need, and they may be able to assist you in recovering them. Step 4. Check your email. If you received any notifications or updates from SHEIN via email, check your email inbox. You might find important information or messages that were sent to you. Step 5. Reinstall the app. As a last resort, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the SHEIN app. This may refresh the app and potentially restore any lost data, but be cautious as this could also lead to loss of other data. If these steps do not lead to recovery, it may be challenging to retrieve deleted messages. Always consider backing up important information in the future to avoid similar issues.